Hello everyone. So we're playing the blue add-on again, and I did a bit of off-camera, like flying around in creative, and I think I finally found the biome that I was supposed to find. So yeah. I don't really know what to expect. So yeah. We'll see. It's quite laggy. So yeah. I'm trying to find the bloopest village. Like, this suit is so heavy, bro. It's just dragging me down to the bottom of the sea. So, you know, these structures are really interesting. This mod reminds me of the search for the Leviathan by Wi-Fi's. It's so cool, bro. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to my boat, and we're gonna try to find the bloopest village. So, let's see how that goes. Oh yeah, okay. So, let's go. If the chunk loads. Okay, there we go. Bro, I'm just like floating on the void. Oh. Okay, there we go. Sonic. Am I still in the deep ocean? Yeah, it looks like it. Wait, am I? No, because I'm at land. Is that just an island? Oh, it's just an island. No, because this isn't that biome anymore. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to find the village. I'm just gonna keep going and hope the chunk loads. What is that? Oh, it's just a cave, I guess. This is crazy. Okay, sorry guys, I have literally like no idea what to talk about. I hope you lot are doing alright. I don't know if anyone actually watches my videos. They're probably a bit long and kind of boring, but If anyone does actually watch them, then thank you a lot. I really appreciate that. I'd like to try and get bigger, and then maybe I'll make actually good content. I'm trying to figure out what works and how to do it, you know. I find Minecraft to be really beautiful, and like a lot of Minecraft YouTubers have like inspired me to do this, and like helped me to know what I want to do, I guess, and I kind of want to help other people do that too, so it's been quite influential for me, and it helped me get through like some quite difficult times, and I want to do the same for other people. So if you want to help me do that, then please yeah, subscribe if you want to. Okay, I don't know if I'm even still in that biome. But yeah, I appreciate the support, guys. It means a lot to me. Genuinely, I don't know where I'm going. Wait, did I find it? Am I back in the biome? Okay, I don't know what this breathing noise is. It's been there the whole time. I think it's so loud. I think that must be the bloop breathing or something. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera for a bit and then I'll record again when I find the biome. Wait, never mind, did I find it? Hold on. Okay, no I didn't. Excuse me as I try to get back in the boat, bro. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'll record again when I find it. See ya.